First, let's make a colorful background. Take a plastic paper. Now, put different colors just like that. You can use any type of color, brush pen, watercolor or sketch color. Continue this. You can use bubble wrap plastic like me, or simple plastic. Now, wet the paper. Press color on paper, just like this. Absorb extra water with tissue and let it dry, then you will get something like this. Draw with pencil first. Then fill in with black color. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Rate 1 to 10. Make these water waves around the word. Let the colors of Holi spread the message of peace and happiness. Here's wishing you and your family a happy Holi.